Simple and plain, I ain't making enough. Bitch, I'm serious, ain't got the patience to bluff. When I tell you I'm the best, I ain't making it up. Purple and gold, 06, number 8 in the clutch. 24 was a killer too. Only rep the pistols, but I give respect when it's due. So fuck what you finna do. You tell the way you act that you just got dragged. Your whole hustle is 10 and 2. Baby, I'm a vet with it. Biggest trip, gotta start it through roulette with it. Bet it on black, fuck excellence, I'm exquisite. So in 2018, it ain't sexy if I don't get the neck with it. But before you trip, girl, know this. If I see you working with them big girl motors, I return the favor, how your little world open. Nah, I'm too old to be lit, bitch, I'm focused. Still got the bottle in my hand. JC spinning the Serratos, what he playing? Straight key, listen, I be mobbing when I can, but I'm out here working. I got a problem with the bands, need some dollars in advance. Man, it's funny how my journey been. Shit, I've been all over, I'm rap journeyman. How you ain't never heard it? Thought I have it all by now, vision was blurry. Drag ghost writing, but fuck being a surrogate. More than a writer, bitch, I'm an artist. So my throwaways equal to when you try your hardest. Yo, it's just a warning, you don't want it, cause I've been starving. Heard you the hottest where you from, the hottest garbage, I'm too hard. It's just send me the bed. I'm trying to own, man, I'm sick of the league. Stop streaming fake thugs, selling myths on the streets. Really wanna witness murder, nigga, send me a bead. R.I.P. I'ma need a raid. Hey, I'ma need a raid. So fuck what you tryna say. All I care about is what you tryna pay. Hey, I'ma need a raise. Yeah. Yo, I don't know who G Herbo is, but this is 3-6 forever. Forever, man. No shade, or shade if you want it. This that Marshawn running through the Saints beast mode flow. You ain't even Saint level, bitch, you Rose Bowl. Your bars don't go, bro. I can strap the camera to you in the booth, and you still couldn't go pro. Whoa, ho, why you looking so confused? Like you wondering who I'm talking to. You know it's you. Every other bar, I bestow another quotable. Your whole album trash, how you that bad? No excuse. Fuck it, I can't help you, that's a scrub level problem. Why even bother? Cause Dez told me get him, so I got it. Now I'm obligated to be a bully. Fuck it, it fit me well, an asshole for real. It's funny cause they can tell. Oh hell, I can't admit it. I'm a jerk, a cynic, won't go to church. Religion ain't worth the birth. Since printed, been called a sinner by niggas cause I don't work. Shit fiction is worse. I could be you and say all my words are in it. When it come to this shit, lyrics, scientific. Ain't no kin to find out, but my God, kid is vicious. Witness how greatness sound, no attempting to break it down. Bars deadly, you better off in prison or waiting trial. When I'm home, I'm on the aisle. When I'm gone, it's for a while. In Cali, I gotta get it, but no, I hold it down. Never forget the city, it don't matter where I go. I carry the glove with me like OJ and germaphobes. I'm cold, I was born in the Michigan winter. Fuck your name, what we call you in Michigan dinner. Whole G told me when this business quit the playing. You let a nigga slide, they'll get the figure skating. So who won? That's 23, man. Week 23, we almost halfway. 52-week remix challenge, man. Had to take it back. I thought this was an old beat, you know. I heard the G Herbo, I'm like, I don't know what that is, G Herbo, but y'all know who did it best. We out. Funny how they go from being critics to a coach. But lucky for me, bro, I got the